Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you our brand new line of SubliCraft American-made customizable face masks. So here we have our cotton face masks. These work great for heat transfer vinyl, so you will need a vinyl cutter to create transfers to use on these masks. They're available in white, black, and red. Here we have our polyester sublimation face mask. Now these are 2-ply face masks and they're available in white and white with a black trim. Here we have our polyester sublimation face masks. These are a 3-ply. They have a pocket for inserting your filters, and they are also available in white and white with the black trim. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894. You can also reach us at heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.